Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to link notes in Google Sheets on computer. So how to insert links in Google Sheets on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. Go straight to the column that will be Insert Comments. Then move the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Insert menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Down itself. And tap the Links menu. Now Insert Links will appear. In this section, you can type the name of the text display that will appear in the sheets. Now for here type or paste the link that you will enter. After finishing tap Apply here. Can be seen here it already looks like what I made. To see the link, tap here. And tap this link. Now it will automatically go to the link page that you created. So that's it, tutorial how to insert notes in Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.